welcome to another video, and today we will be checking out, yet again, Evolution Galaxy. I want you to look at that, we have enough energy to unlock this planet. Now, we're gonna check that out after we finish this one. Because that's just how I feel. Nice! 252 million. Oh. And how fortunate I had. What is this? What does he even walk on? Is this even a fox? Or is this a crab?
Clad with Clorox eliminates food and bacterial odors. So, mañana then.
So I technically bought the Foxopotamus. Oh. I wish when I first installed this app and did not just ignore the alien. I wish I did not ignore the alien when I first got this app years ago, so that I could have Mars here. But no, it was so bad that now I don't even have the temple. I don't even have the temple. Oh, I was making bad decisions back then. Okay, I'm interested. Nope. I forgot to pay. Oh. So there was something going wrong for a second there. I was a bit confused. I thought the certain paint spots age was coming back. But no, I'm free to go. Now what? Yeah, I bet you could do that.
Clad with Clorox eliminates food and bacterial odors. So, mañana then.
Okay. My dad coughed right there. That was kind of perfectly timed. No, wait. I'm probably not getting enough upgrade. Or maybe, or maybe, maybe Fox Deliverer. Or maybe better. Maybe better. Oh. Nope. Oh, no leaks. No leaks for upcoming alternate take in Uncanny Cubes band. Oh. I just went for that, but
goes all in on protection. It eliminates food and bacterial odors. And when you go all in, it's better than all good. It's all glad.
okay.
Glad with Clorox goes all in on protection. It eliminates food and bacterial odors. And when you go all in, it's better than all good. It's all glad.
The same exact thing. Alright. You gentlemen have that. And the biggest boy here gets the crown. Since he is the biggest. I can say it. Hold on, I gotta stretch. Good. Am I sick? I think I might be a bit sick. Because I'm sniffling a lot. Sorry. I'm sorry. This. Yes. Before I could merge a merge, then I would have to. Alright, everyone, that is the end of our video, and today.